Welcome to Make Money with Video Marketing Training Chapter 62. How to change video style in Morph Studio. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to change video style in Morph Studio. Step by step. So let's get started. Go to morphstudio.com and log in with your account. Then click on one of the projects that you want to change the video style. On this page, you can see several options to edit your project, such as style transfer, lipsync, make it HD, and also regenerate. To change the video style, click on the style transfer option. Then you can choose the available style, scroll down to see other video styles. Click on the video style you want to use, and click the generate button. Wait a few moments, and you will get your video using a different style according to your previous choice. That's how to change video style in Morph Studio. See you in the next tutorial.